Take two. My brush on. Y'all not getting a little freak show today, so let me make sure she in check. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. It's Nicole for those who don't know. Hold on, if you aren't subscribed, why aren't you? Click that big red button and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I post another video. Yes, I know I have been MIA. It's going on 2 weeks that I have not posted, even though I promised I would stay consistent. There was a lot of things going on in the world, and I just felt like it wasn't the right time for me to film, and also I felt very unmotivated to film, but I am back and I am better. I just decided to film my getting ready process. I do not wear makeup on the daily, but when I do film, I do like to, you know, put a little blush, put a little foundation somewhere. If that seems like a thing, keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, it made me feel so bougie. It's giving me glass of wine, waiting for rich husband to come home. So when I'm getting ready to film, I like to have my makeup set up over there. And then I like to have a computer in front of me just in case I have to do anything. And then I also have a little mirror. I really don't have any makeup look in mind. I just go with the wind. If I see a color and it draws me to it, I try to make a look out of it. So for the hair process, I just put a little bun in. I do have a video for this bun up on my channel, so if you have not checked that out, go check it out. And for today's look, I just have on a robe because I'm going to be filming a try-on haul. Last thing I have to do is the face, so I decided to turn on the camera and show you guys how my creative makeup looks come out, or how, I don't even know what I'm saying right now, but you guys get the gist. Yeah, let's get into the makeup look.
Like that.
I don't know why my bra keep on showing, but girls, don't act like you've never seen a bra, and guys, don't act like you've never seen a bra. Yeah, my camera turned off when I was doing my lid color, so I just want to show you what my lid color was. It is from the BRETMAN Rock palette. Look at all these colors. Like, you can't tell me you think I'm gonna get a palette with all these colors and not have some looks coming. Yeah, I just took deeper in the palette. You can see, like, I put a little dent in there because it took a lot for me to get it on my lid like this. And then I just applied some liner, which is my NYX, my favorite liner that I mentioned in my drugstore video. If you haven't watched that, go watch it. And then I'm gonna put on some lashes, and then we're gonna get on with the video. Oh, this man like Cajun.